welcome to a thrilling countdown of the top 10 highest team scores ever recorded in ODI cricket history. These are the matches where batsmen rewrote the record books. Bowlers were put under immense pressure and fans witnessed pure cricketing carnage. Let's dive into these unforgettable moments that have left a lasting mark on the sport. Number 10. South Africa piled up a staggering 418 runs for 5 wickets against Zimbabwe in 2006. This match was a run fest from the very start, with the South African batsmen showing no mercy to the bowlers. Graeme Smith and AB de Villiers were simply unstoppable that day, smashing boundaries all around the park and building a partnership that set the tone for the rest of the innings. Their aggressive approach left the Zimbabwean bowlers searching for answers. Number 9. Fast forward to 2023. South Africa once again made history by scoring 428 runs for 5 wickets against Sri Lanka. The Proteas batting lineup was in sensational form, punishing every loose delivery. Heinrich Klaasen and David Miller played with incredible intent, launching a brutal assault on the Sri Lankan bowlers. Their fearless hitting and clever shot selection made this a match to remember for South African fans. Number 8. Australia's 434 for 4 against South Africa is still talked about as one of the most explosive batting displays in ODI history. This was a match where every run seemed possible and the boundaries kept flowing. Ricky Ponting led from the front, playing a captain's knock of 164 runs. His aggressive stroke play and leadership inspired the entire team, and the crowd was treated to a masterclass in batting. Number 7. But what followed was even more incredible. South Africa chased down that mammoth total, finishing with 438 runs for 9 wickets. This run chase is still considered the greatest in ODI history, a true testament to the never-say-die spirit of the Proteas. The atmosphere was electric, with fans on the edge of their seats until the very last ball. It was a roller coaster of emotions, and the celebrations at the end were unforgettable. Number 6. South Africa continued their high-scoring legacy by posting 438 runs for 4 wickets against India. This match showcased their depth in batting and their ability to dominate even the strongest opponents. Quinton de Kock and AB de Villiers were in sublime touch, crafting a partnership that left the Indian bowlers with no answers. Their timing, placement and power hitting were a joy to watch. Number 5. South Africa's 439 for 2 against West Indies was another batting masterclass. The Proteas made batting look effortless, with runs coming at a rapid pace throughout the innings. Incredibly, 3 South African batsmen reached centuries in a single innings, a rare feat that highlighted the team's dominance and depth. The West Indies bowlers had no respite as the boundaries kept coming. Number 4. Sri Lanka posted a massive 443 runs for 9 wickets against the Netherlands. This was a day when everything clicked for the Sri Lankan batsmen, and the scoreboard kept ticking at a breathtaking rate. Sanath Jayasuriya and Tilakaratne Dilshan led the charge, playing with flair and aggression. Their partnership set the foundation for this record-breaking total, thrilling fans with their fearless approach. Number 3. England's 444 for 3 against Pakistan was a statement of intent. Alex Hales was the star, smashing a brilliant century and leading England to their then highest ODI total. The English batsman played with confidence and freedom, entertaining the home crowd. Number 2. England raised the bar even higher by scoring a jaw-dropping 481 runs for 6 wickets against Australia. This was a day when everything went right for England, and the Australian bowlers had no answers to the relentless onslaught. The match at Trent Bridge was pure dominance from the English side. Every batsman contributed, and the crowd witnessed history being made as England set a new world record at the time. And at number 1, England shattered all previous records by amassing an unbelievable 498 runs for 4 wickets against the Netherlands. This is the highest team total ever in ODI cricket, a record that may stand for years to come. The English batsmen were in a league of their own, with every player contributing to this historic achievement. The Netherlands bowlers could only watch as the boundaries kept flowing and the record stumbled. These incredible innings have redefined what's possible in ODI cricket. Which of these record-breaking performances surprised you the most? Was it a dramatic run chase, a relentless batting assault, or a team effort that left you speechless? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to follow us for more amazing cricket stories, highlights, and record-breaking moments. Stay tuned for more cricket entertainment. Break time.